Welcome to Saivian, retail shopping membership made easy. Saivian is the next generation of shopping that's finally arrived with 20% cashback shopping, with online purchases including stores like Amazon and eBay, and your offline purchases included as well with large box stores like Walmart's and Target's and Starbucks, along with other regional local retailers across the country. You'll be able to save up to $3,000 annually with the retail shopping membership offered by Saivian, with $60 a week redeemable once every 30 days. It's almost like doubling your money for something that you're already doing anyway. After all, we're not asking you to change the stores you purchase from, or the shopping that you do, or the products that you buy, or even your favorite method of payment. In fact, every day that you wait on joining this membership, it's costing you money, and you never want to leave money on the table. So you might ask, how does this membership actually work? The membership costs $125 payable every 28 days. And with your membership, you'll be able to choose your top 10 online and offline retail stores combined to be updated once every 30 days, of which you'll be able to enjoy your 20% cashback shopping. You then will select your method of payment primary for the membership. You can choose your favorite credit card or your favorite bank debit card that you'll use as your primary method of payment with the membership. Your card ID must match the name and receipt and can be updated once every 30 days. Once you have your card in place, then you're off and shopping, and you can go to any of your 10 listed stores in the membership, of which you'll be able to record your information directly from your point of sale receipt given when you make your purchase. That information that you'll submit is the store, the date, and the amount. And the submission period runs from 12:01 a.m. Eastern Time on Sunday through 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time on Saturday. And with that, your receipts can be from a minimum of $5 up to $500, and they must be entered and submitted during the same week to be valid. This does exclude gift cards, and you'll be able to receive up to $60 cash back weekly, up to $3,000 a year, and you can redeem your cash back in $125 increments once every 30 days. Redemptions are verified by uploading your receipts to the system online through our back office portal. You want to please allow 30 days for verification after your receipts are uploaded. Of course, you may cancel at any time if you ever get tired of getting 20% cashback shopping with all of your store shopping. Now, Saivian delivers cashback shopping by innovating the POS data advertising model. You see, the receipt recording process provides valuable point-of-sale information from those receipts, and that information can be used by our third-party marketing partners, of which they can generate more specific and targeted advertising, giving them a better reach and an audience for their products and services. And that advertising generated does create revenue. In fact, this is a similar business model that works just like Facebook ads. If you're on Facebook, you know that there's a time when you probably put a like on something, or you share an interest of a certain product or service, and those likes get processed on Facebook. They get recorded and tracked, and that information gets used to build a profile of you as an individual, as a consumer, the types of things that you'd be likely to purchase or buy. And what Facebook does is they turn that information over to their marketing partners and their advertisers to help them generate a specific audience for their product, and that's called Facebook ads. And folks, that generates billions of dollars in advertising revenue for Facebook. And our point of sale innovation is using a similar concept, except our information is more specific because it's not just a like, but it's literally products that you're already buying through a proven point of sale receipt. So you see, folks, with Saivian, this is a win-win-win situation. The member wins with 20% cashback shopping. Our marketing partners win because they get data and information based on point-of-sale receipts that shows exactly what consumers are buying, at what stores, and how frequently and how much. And our Saivian company wins because we get the privilege and benefit of helping tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of people all across this country be financially successful. So you see, ladies and gentlemen, it is an excellent opportunity to be involved with Saivian. We recommend that you get started today and start saving with this incredible membership. Thank you for watching this video, and welcome to Saivian. Welcome to the Saivian Daily Residual Income Plan Explained. Today we're going to talk about the Saivian Stairway to Success with our rank advancement system. Ladies and gentlemen, the very first step in getting started with our compensation plan is to reach the level of founder. You become a founder when you make 3 personal sponsored membership sales of our retail shopping membership product. That's going to generate a $5 daily residual income, which is $1,825 a year. So you see, you simply bring 3, and it's better than free, because not only do you enjoy the benefit of having your membership paid for with nothing out of your pocket, but you'll also be generating additional income each month. Now we want to introduce you now to the Flex Build system and how you can place your first 3 enrolled members. You can place your first 3 enrolled members straight across on your first level, or you can break it down into just 2 teams, or you can even place them all into one straight line on one sales team as a founder. And that again generates $5 daily income with 3 team memberships, $1,825 a year. Now to go to our next founder level of VIP, you need to build a minimum of 2 sales teams where you're going to split your total team memberships evenly between 2 legs. And as you reach the level of 12 team memberships, which you can do all by yourself, or you can simply teach your 3 enrolled members to share the Saivian product, the retail shopping membership, with a few people that they know, and they can also include those team memberships in your 12 team membership total. That will qualify you for a $20 daily income or $7,300 a year. And note that no more than 50% of your volume comes from one sales team. Now, to reach the next level of elite founder, you simply increase your team memberships over your 2 sales teams to 39, and that's going to increase your daily income to $30 a day or $10,950 a year. A 1-star founder is when you reach 80 team memberships. That's going to bring your income to $50 a day, $18,250 a year. A 2-star founder, again, as your team continues to grow in depth between your 2 organizations, you have 150 team memberships. That's a $100 daily income, $36,500 a year. 3-star founders, over 300 team memberships, $150 a day, $54,750 a year. 4-star founder, 500 team memberships in your organization, again, between 2 sales teams, $200 a day, $73,000 a year. And the 5-star founder, ladies and gentlemen, 750 team memberships. It's a $300 daily income. That is a 6-figure income at $109,500 per year. That is a dream level income for most people in network marketing, and you can build it with fewer than 1,000 sales in your organization. Now, if you want to advance to our higher levels of our compensation plan, you will need to build a 3rd sales team, and that's going to help you reach the ambassador levels. So when you reach 1,000 team memberships, you'll be at an ambassador at $500 a day. That's $182,500 a year. Take note that no more than 35% of your volume comes from one sales team. Now, when you reach the next levels to $750 a day, that's over $273,750 a year. Platinum is when you have 4,000 team memberships. That's $1,000 daily income, $365,000 a year. Wow. And a diamond ambassador with 6,000 team memberships, $2,000 a day income, $730,000 a year. And ultimately, folks, the pinnacle of the Saivian compensation plan at the highest stair on the Stairway to Success program is Presidential Ambassador, 8,000 team memberships divided over 3 teams, where you are making $3,000 in daily residual income. That's a 7-figure income, ladies and gentlemen. That puts you into a very elite category of earners in this industry. And all rank advancements through the Stairway to Success plan start paying the very next day. You don't have to wait a month or 2 to qualify for your next rank. You can qualify by 11:59 p.m. tonight, and it goes into effect at 12:01 a.m. the next business day. And it pays out 7 days a week, 365 days a year. You are building daily residual income with Saivian. Ladies and gentlemen, we simply pay faster than everybody else. I want to thank you for watching this short video on the Saivian Daily Residual Income Plan, folks, and we look forward to seeing all of you at the top.